Welcome to High Info E-Club. Today I'm going to show you how to add custom icons into folder, like this. Web link in the video description. I select this icon for first folder. You can select any folder icon in this web and download for free. You can search any type of folder icon in this site. I select this folder icon to my second folder. Click this ICO button to download. Click this ICO button to download. Cut and paste these icons into the folder that you are going to change folder icon. Now follow my steps. Now select the location of the folder icon. In the next video I'm going to teach you how to make folder icon like this. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get new update. Have a good day. See you guys in the next video.